Welcome traders to this video where we're going to be interviewing Damian, who has passed the low risk 70k level 1 program. Just excited to quickly run through your performance, ask you a few questions, and yeah, see how what your trading style is essentially. So where are you trading from in the world?
New Zealand.
Right. Okay. How long have you been trading for?
Oh, well, 10 years, I guess. 10 years on and off.
Right. And is that mostly just retail personal trading?
Yeah.
And have you got experience with other prop firms?
No, this is the first time.
Oh, okay. So FT UK was the first. So we are the first prop firm you've went for.
Yeah.
And just out of interest, how come you chose us?
I just stumbled upon it really, but you guys have the best conditions really. The simplest, so it was just the easiest one to pick.
And what's the general experience so far?
Yeah, it's been pretty good. Yeah,
cool.
It's been fine.
Okay, so you signed up for I've gone on the account that you've passed on. It was the 70k GBP low risk program. What would you say your main trading style is when you've passed this level?
I just generally try to go off the daily charts at the Asian Open, ideally. But I will go shorter. I will go shorter term if it's not possible or if that's not giving enough opportunities. And I just follow trends and try to get good entries. It's pretty simple, really.
Yeah, well, I mean the performance is pretty astounding, to be fair. Total trades 55, winning trades 50, just over 50% there, but we can see that the risk to reward is really good. Best profit over £500, beats loss 188, and your averages is really good to see as well. It's just a solid performance. You know, it's a decent amount of trades, and it all looks really good. If we have a look at the markets then, so you mostly are in well, we can see some indices and gold.
Yeah.
So is that do you have a lot of experience in other markets as well as Forex as well? Yeah.
I prefer like oil and commodities rather than Forex because I think they seem to trend, give you better opportunities, but it can change on the month or what's going on. So oil was this month, obviously, but next month it could be something else if there's something else more interesting.
Yeah, absolutely. So are you mainly a fundamental trader, or is it on the charts, or
both, I guess? I'll have a fundamental view or a bias, and then I'll prefer to, like, for instance, I'll prefer to take longs on oils rather than short, just something like that, but otherwise it'll just be technical.
Right. Okay. And I'll take it oil is the main favorite pair that you trade, yeah?
Well, last month anyway.
Right.
Because it was going up strongly, so.
Yes, yeah, and recently, well, it's dropped a little bit, I've seen, but it did really start tanking to almost all-time highs, really.
Yeah, so I haven't touched it much this month at all.
Right. Okay.
Well, not much anyway, so I think I'll leave it alone because it's not going anywhere for now.